Welcome internet, this is the vegetarian BonVivant and you're watching What's Cooking. Today we'll be cooking a Mangalorean dish and I'm shooting this on the Independence Day. So I had to do something with the tricolor, the orange. I'll go with the curry. Let's go with the humble rice. Garnish some corianders for the greens. So let's get started with that. We'll take 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 6 to 7 cloves, 2 tablespoons of saunf or fennel seeds, some methi seeds, 6 to 7 black peppercorns, and 1.5 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Then what we need to do is put them in a pan and dry roast them. But remember, do not overheat or put them on a high flame because no one likes burnt spices in their curry. Now we add a tablespoon of ghee, after the garlics are roasted, just add them to the same jar or mixer grinder to which you added the whole toasted masalas and then grind them to a fine paste. Add water as necessary and you have that beautiful red paste for the ghee roast. This is 250 grams of paneer or cottage cheese cut into cubes. I'll add them to the ghee for shallow frying them till they are crispy on both sides. And what I've done is I have added a bit of extra ghee to the garlic that I was roasting. So once I've taken the garlic off the pan, what I'm left with is a garlic flavored ghee. So what I'll be doing is roasting the paneer in the same ghee. So what will help the paneer get a very good garlicky flavor. If you're diet conscious, this video is completely not for you. To this, add a cup of finely chopped onion and roast them till they are translucent. So, as your house fills up with the beautiful aroma of ghee, let's talk a bit about the Mangalorean cuisine. The food of Mangalore is defined by four prominent communities: the Bun, the Gaur Saraswat Brahmins, the Catholics, and the Konkani Muslims. While the style of cooking varies slightly from one community to another, seafood remains the preferred choice of all. To this, add the paste, which is basically ground powder, coriander powder, chili powder, and cashew. While we saute the masalas, let's talk a bit more about the ghee roast. Ghee roast, a legend says, was introduced around 50 years ago at a Shetty lunch home in a legendary restaurant in Kundapur, a small town around 90 kilometers from Mangalore. The recipe is simple with 3 or 4 ingredients as you can see, but it is a slow cooking process that transforms the dish. The red Byadgi chilies are soaked overnight, ground into a paste, and then cooked up to 5-6 hours with ghee, giving the masala a silky texture, and that is how you can get an authentic Mangalorean ghee roast. Although this is not an authentic ghee roast and we don't have much time in our hands, I added the chili later while making the masala paste.